Best ways to maintain your air conditioner. The air conditioner has emerged as one of the greatest and immensely beneficial inventions in the recent times. It affords you comfort and peace during the hot summers and protects you from the debilitating heat. These are really useful machines but are certainly expensive. You need to pay a huge price for this machine. With large investment and question of comfort in mind, you must take care of your air conditioning unit by undertaking its periodic maintenance to enable it to work to its full capacity for years. Usually maintenance aspect is neglected by air conditioner owners. They think that till the time cool air is coming out of the machine it is working fine, but they may not be aware that in reality their AC unit is losing its cooling power year after year. Normally if no maintenance is done, then an AC loses its 5% efficiency each year. Every unit comes with its rated efficiency and normally works efficiently for about 14 to 15 years. With normal maintenance, air conditioner will continue to work to its maximum efficiency during its working life. How can you carry out your AC unit's maintenance? Firstly, you should go for usual observation check. You must have a look at any leaks or unnatural sounds and should see that the drainage is proper from the condenser tube. Secondly, you must check the filters to see if they are clean. With dirty filters, air conditioner will give troublesome operation and would be uneconomical to run. Make it a point to clean AC every month to gain maximum performance from it. You should also clean its registers and air vents. Next, you should clean the compressor of the AC. It can be cleaned with water hose from the outside. When not used in the winter months, you should cover up and pack your air conditioner. You can do normal air conditioner maintenance yourself, but for certain complicated things like occasional tune-ups required, make sure to call up the trained technicians. Tune-up is necessary for rejuvenating air conditioner's energies. Usually this tune-up could cost you around $40 to $100. You must also ensure that you don't mishandle the AC during switching off and on or while it is being installed. If you take proper care of your air unit, it will provide you with good service during its entire life. Michael has been writing articles online for 10 years. Not only does this author specialize in self-development, health, and home improvement, you can also check out his latest website, Root Air Conditioning, http://www.rootairconditioning.org/, which help people find more about HVAC. Root, http://www.rootairconditioning.org/HVAC. Root features / article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Michael_C_Miller/645756